To set up Apple Pay with Absa Bank, start by ensuring your device is compatible with Apple Pay, such as an iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, or Mac. You also need an Absa Bank account and a compatible Absa Bank card. First, open the Wallet app on your device. If you cannot find the Wallet app, you can swipe left from the home screen and type Wallet in the search bar. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen to begin the process of adding a card. Next, select Continue and then choose Credit or Debit Card. You will be prompted to take a picture of your card or enter the card details manually. If you choose to take a picture, position your card in the frame to automatically capture the card number and expiration date. You will then be asked to enter the security code, which is the 3-digit code on the back of your card. After entering the security code, review the terms and conditions. Then tap Agree to accept them. Absa Bank will then verify your card, which may involve receiving a verification code via SMS or a phone call from the bank. Enter the verification code to complete the verification process. Once your card is verified, tap Next and then Done to complete the setup process. Your card is now added to Apple Pay and you can start making payments with your device. To make a payment, hold your device near the contactless payment terminal, with your finger on the Touch ID or Face ID sensor. Depending on your device, you will feel a vibration and hear a sound when the payment is successful. It is essential to note that you must have an active internet connection to set up Apple Pay. And you should never share your device passcode or card details with anyone. Regularly review your account transactions to ensure the security of your account. By following these steps, you can easily set up Apple Pay with Absa Bank and start enjoying the convenience of making contactless payments with your device.